Hey, my friends. Welcome back to Speakova podcast. You know something? Just 5 minutes a day can completely change how your English feels, and a year from now, you won't even recognize the way you speak. I'm Jerry, your brother on this journey, and today we're doing something special. We're going to practice 50 real, daily routine English sentences, the kind you actually use in life. We'll do it with shadowing, listening, feeling the rhythm, breathing with the words so every line sinks in naturally. By the end, you'll have the sentences to talk about your day without thinking, without translating, and with confidence that feels real. Oh, and stay with me till the end, because just like I promised, I'll share my favorite 5-day shadowing challenge playlist for starting from zero, step by step, and building that habit that sticks. All right, let's start breathing these words together. Morning. She opens the kitchen window for fresh air. She opens the kitchen window for fresh air. Birds sing outside while the sun is rising. Birds sing outside while the sun is rising. He pours a cup of hot black coffee. He pours a cup of hot black coffee. Excellent. People wait quietly for the early morning bus. People wait quietly for the early morning bus. Light spreads slowly across the living room floor. Light spreads slowly across the living room floor. They share breakfast together before leaving for work. They share breakfast together before leaving for work. Well done. Someone checks emails before the office gets busy. Someone checks emails before the office gets busy. Good job. She ties her shoelaces and steps outside. She ties her shoelaces and steps outside. The street smells of fresh bread and coffee. The street smells of fresh bread and coffee. He writes a short list of morning tasks. He writes a short list of morning tea. Asks. Great work. Sunlight warms the small plants by the window. Sunlight warms the small plants by the window. People greet each other at the bakery door. People greet each other at the bakery door. She adds sugar to her tea and stirs. She adds sugar to her tea and stirs. The alarm rings louder than usual this morning. The alarm rings louder than usual this morning. Amazing! He checks the weather before choosing his jacket. He checks the weather before choosing his jacket. Children walk slowly to school with heavy bags. Children walk slowly to school with heavy bags. A cyclist passes by while the street is quiet. A cyclist passes by while the street is quiet. Wait a moment. You've come this far. That means you're chasing progress, not just repeating sounds. Every word so far has been another step up. You're teaching your tongue, your brain, your heart to work together. Soon, speaking will feel like breathing. Now, let's go on with the next lines. Afternoon. She leaves the office for a short lunch break. She leaves the office for a short lunch break. People enjoy sandwiches under the green park trees. People enjoy sandwiches under the green park trees. He refills his water bottle at the corner shop. He refills his water bottle at the corner shop. Perfect. Clouds gather, covering the bright blue sky. Clouds gather, covering the bright blue sky. They meet near the fountain to talk and laugh. They meet near the fountain to talk and laugh. A bus stops slowly in front of the library. A bus stops slowly in front of the library. She reads a book in a quiet corner cafe. She reads a book in a quiet corner cafe. Fantastic. The waiter brings freshly squeezed orange juice. The waiter brings freshly squeezed orange juice. People walk home carrying heavy grocery bags. People walk home carrying heavy grocery bags. He finishes his work and shuts the laptop. He finishes his work and shuts the laptop. Awesome. Shadows grow longer across the old stone walls. Shadows grow longer across the old stone walls. She listens to music while riding the bus. She listens to music while riding the bus. The smell of roasted chestnuts fills the street. The smell of roasted chestnuts fills the street. They take photos near the big white fountain. They take photos near the big white fountain. Brilliant. He calls a friend to plan the weekend. He calls a friend to plan the weekend. The market crowd becomes louder just before evening. The market crowd becomes louder just before evening. Children eat ice cream and run across the park. Children eat ice cream and run across the park. Hold on for a second. Look where you're standing. Most people quit before they even feel the change, but you've stayed, built rhythm, built confidence in your voice. These drills, they're not about English only. They're about who you're becoming. You've got more inside you than you think. Now, let's continue with the rest. Night. She lights a candle on the kitchen table. She lights a candle on the kitchen table. Stars shine brightly above the quiet city streets. Stars shine brightly above the quiet city streets. He watches a movie with a warm blanket. He watches a movie with a warm blanket. Excellent. People walk home under soft yellow streetlights. People walk home under soft yellow streetlights. She writes in her journal before going to bed. She writes in her journal before going to bed. The wind shakes tree branches outside the window. The wind shakes tree branches outside the window. They drink tea while talking on the balcony. They drink tea while talking on the balcony. Good job. Someone plays guitar quietly in the living room. Someone plays guitar quietly in the living room. The smell of dinner fills the quiet apartment. The smell of dinner fills the quiet apartment. She sets the alarm for an early morning. She sets the alarm for an early morning. They laugh together while cleaning the kitchen. They laugh together while cleaning the kitchen. Well done. He closes the curtains to block the moonlight. He closes the curtains to block the moonlight. People say goodbye outside the small coffee shop. People say goodbye outside the small coffee shop. She pours hot milk into her evening tea. She pours hot milk into her evening tea. Perfect. The night air feels colder than yesterday. The night air feels colder than yesterday. He finishes reading and turns off the lamp. He finishes reading and turns off the lamp. You've just spent a few quiet minutes with your own voice. And if you're still here, that means something inside you really wants to change. You showed up. You listened. You breathed through English. But this is just the beginning. There's a place where everything becomes real, where the words stop being just sounds and start becoming you. It's called the 5-day shadowing challenge. 5 short days that feel more like a transformation than a routine. Because once you step into it, you'll start hearing your own English in a way you've never heard before. You'll feel your rhythm, your confidence, your flow building piece by piece, breath by breath. If you skip that challenge, you might miss the moment your voice starts to sound alive. It's not a playlist, it's your next chapter, your turning point. So go hit that playlist at the end of this video. Step into it like you're stepping into something meant for you. And if this video made you feel even a little, press like, subscribe, turn the bell on, and tell me in the comments what part touched you the most. I read every single one. Learn, spec, grow. See you inside the challenge. Goodbye.